Apple Pie Puff Pastry. Dice up 5 to 8 apples. Add 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well. In a silicone tray, add puff pastry and fit it to the mold. Add apple mixture. Egg wash. Fold the puff pastry sides together and then remove the mold. Cut away extra dough and separate the pies. Let me know in the comments where you're viewing from. Place pie on a baking tray and add egg wash. Set oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 minutes. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Apple Pie Puff Pastry.